This is Brandon with Landy Leads. I'm the one who approves offers, and you talk to someone on my team about land in Santa Cruz County, right? So, what I'm doing there is a few things. Hey, Alex, this is Brandon with Landy Leads. That's like you're talking to an old friend. It's like making them question, wait, who is this? Do I know this person? They know me. So that's like the feeling. And so the tonality at the end of that is going up. Like you just saw your friend at the park and you're like, oh, I haven't seen you. Yay, Alex, what's up, man? I haven't seen you in years, type of thing. And they're like, this guy knows me. And then you flatten your tone out and you nail and you give a nice dead pause right there to bring them in. Like, who is this person? That dead pause. And then you get into, I'm the one who approves offers, and you talk to someone on my team about your land in Santa Cruz County, right? And that one, you're going level with your voice and then dropping it to have authority. Like this dude knows what he's talking about. That's how that first line should sound.